How to check who liked your post on X. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the X application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the profile option you see there. Now, tap on the post whose interactions you are looking forward to, and further, go ahead and tap hold on the heart or the like icon you see there, and you will be led to this type of interface. Tap on the Liked by tab to see the people who have liked your post. Similarly, tap on the Quotes tab to see the people who have quoted your post, and tap on the Reposted by option to see the people who have reposted your post. So this is how you can check who liked your post on X. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.